Hey bosses, this is Charles Brown, the Boss Golf, and we are back with another golf course. We're talking about the golf club at Stonelick Hills, which is located just outside of Cincinnati in Ohio. It is getting my ranking of being a really good course slash local gem. This golf course was built for pure golf enjoyment. The course has every popular design feature that came about through the 70s to about the mid 90s. So everything that you may like from an island green to water splitting both sides of the fairway to every type of undulation, anything that was popular, this course has it all. The course is routed through deep forests, up and down hills, across and around ponds and lakes. It's everything that you could imagine that you'd want out of a golf course experience. And for me, the only negative to the course is it's not really walkable. It zigs around the property very almost errantly, to make sure that you're playing the best golf course possible. But since most of you probably don't really care about walking on a vacation round, anyways, I think this is a must play experience if you are in Southern Ohio and is one of the finer public courses that you can come across. I'm fortunate enough to have in-laws in Ohio, so I'm working my way through a lot of the Ohio golf courses. And when I came across this course, it had rave reviews and it did not let me down. This was already part of a great golf trip in which I started in Ohio, went to Indiana, shot up to Chicago, and then came back for a little bit more golf in Ohio. And this was really a course that did not disappoint amongst other great courses that I played that were top 100 public and private courses. So if you have an opportunity just outside of Cincinnati, find yourself out there. Seems like a really great course for you and your buddies. This seems like a great guys' day off type of course, not really maybe something that you want to experience by yourself because it's really challenging and something you guys are going to have a lot of great conversations about.